But first, a major announcement from Austin Public Health.
The department is moving forward with plans to open a temporary field hospital at the Austin Convention Center. KXAN's Tom Miller has an update.
The message coming out of today's health briefing is that whatever happens on this 4th of July weekend is going to directly impact whether or not Austin and Travis County can stay open. The message from health officials right now is that people really need to stay home. As for that temporary hospital, we know that Austin Public Health has already reached out to FEMA asking for money to help pay for this. They say either way it's going to be up and rolling in the next couple of weeks, actually treating patients at that time. They're saying it can handle as little as 150 patients, but it could scale up. They suggested to at least 1,000.
We may not need 1,000 beds there. We may just need 150 or 300 beds. To provide additional care to folks to help offload the burden on the hospitals. So as the demand increases, we will increase the bed capacity of that alternate care site.
Interim Health Authority Dr. Mark Escott explained this would be to help offload the burden from our area hospitals. Right now, Travis County hospitals are operating at about 70% capacity, which he isn't that concerned about because they actually typically operate at capacity higher than that. Instead, he's worried about this surge in cases that will likely bring in even more patients. Another wild card in all of this is what's happening elsewhere in the state, particularly in San Antonio. Escott says the situation there is worse and that Austin might need to end up taking some of their patients. If that happens and the cases keep rising in Austin, he says you can expect him to ask the mayor and county judge for another lockdown.
Learn from our mistakes. Austin Mayor Steve Adler offered that suggestion during an interview with CNN this morning. He encouraged other states to take note of how Texas tried to reopen its economy. For starters, he said Texas businesses opened before testing and tracing protocols were fully in place. The mayor said moving from one phase to the next much too quickly was also a mistake.
And then the third thing that we did is we opened in a way that looked like how we were back in January and February. And I think that the real learned experience from Texas in May and June is that when we reopen the economy, we have to do it very differently than the economy was open before.
Adler said we need mandatory social distancing and mandatory face masks for everyone.
But the messaging coming from my lieutenant governor and from Washington is that there isn't a problem, that we shouldn't be wearing masking, that it creates a confused message for my community.
Fauci said today.
The mayor was referring to a Fox News interview in which Texas Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick claimed that Dr. Anthony Fauci, member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, said, quote, that he has been wrong every time on every issue and that he, quote, doesn't know what he's talking about.